Oh, this sucks nuts. Look at this shit. Can you see it dripping? Alright, for the guys who have that ZF transmission saying that it's lifetime, well, this car only has 30,000 miles on it. I'm going to show you something. This fluid is a clear fluid, like a brake fluid type of fluid. And these are magnets on the side here, alright? I want to show you something. Look at that. That's clutch material. So think about that. You go lifetime, and that's the color which it's supposed to be. See? But there's definitely clutch material in here. Like any other transmission in the world, this is not a lifetime. So this is kind of a blessing in disguise. See? That's dark fluid. So I'm going to be using all new fluid. Okay, this video is going to be shaky. Quick story, if you haven't seen my other video, cracked the transmission pan, middle of January, it's like 32 degrees out. I have, so I'm doing this out on the street with a couple of jack stands. You Tommy. Come on, baby. There you go. That's what it looks like underneath. Thank God I didn't damage the case or anything. That's good.
Warm it up a little bit. It's like 27 now.
Well, it's gonna be like it's 11 o'clock, right? Soon.
Well, it's like 27 degrees now, around 11 o'clock.
Whew, it is fucking cold out. Woo! Now for the fill process. Quick tech tip. Always torque wrenches, unscrew it after you're done. Leave that tension on the spring.